In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refer someone to Lloyds Bank using the mobile app. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your referral link, how to share it, and what needs to happen for both of you to receive the reward. Start by opening your Lloyds Bank mobile app and logging into your account. Use your usual secure method, whether that's your passcode, Face ID, or fingerprint. Make sure you're on the official app and that it's up to date so everything displays correctly. Once you're in, you'll land on your account overview or home screen. Next, look for the area where Lloyds places referral promotions when they're available. This might appear under Rewards, Offers, or a section labeled Refer a Friend. Banks sometimes rename or move these tiles, so if you don't see it right away on the home screen, check the main menu or the More Settings tab. If there's an active referral promotion, it should be clearly highlighted with a short description of the reward and any key points. If the offer is active for your account, you'll see your personal referral link. This link is unique to you, which is how Lloyds tracks that a friend joined through your recommendation. Tap the link and the app will give you sharing options. Choose what works best for you: WhatsApp, email, text message, or any other messaging app installed on your phone. It's a good idea to include a short note so your friend knows it's from you and remind them to open the link directly from your message so it registers correctly. For the referral to count, your friend must use your link to open a qualifying Lloyds current account and complete the requirements within the time frame stated in the offer. These requirements are set by Lloyds and can vary by promotion, so your friend should read the terms in the app page that opens from your link. Typical conditions might include completing account opening steps and meeting activity criteria within a specified number of days. If they start the process without your link, the referral may not track, so it's important they begin from your shared link. Once your friend successfully completes everything, both of you will receive the referral reward. The reward is usually credited after Lloyds confirms eligibility, and timing can vary depending on the promotion. Keep an eye on the app's rewards or offers section for details about the reward amount and expected timeframes. And that's it. That's how to refer someone to Lloyds Bank using the mobile app.